Three.
Three, come right over here. Right here against this black wall for me.
Be aware, certain lift passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the wizard command.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for the trial. Hello? Are you going to the trial too?
Of course not. The whole wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. And Fringo.
Alert! Death Eaters have attacked the ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arrest Atalanta!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's off her time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning, Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes.
Hecate will help.
Stupefy! You're after her. We won't let you stop us this time. Razio!
Melon-headed saddle
Find Umbridge.
You filthy
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Let's go. It finally worked this time.
Now's the time Tara's fault. Finish!
Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh, God.
bloody hell!
Don't upset her.
Too late for that! What?
Hurry, get to the time room.
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes!
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, Miss.
Nonsense, Rip.
Look what you've done.
Get out of here. We'll deal with that.
I will have order. How dare you try to stop me?
No! Now Higgledy has your what?
You must not tell lies, Professor.
Order! Order!
Hand me.
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge, for your crimes you will spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
Why? Why?
Please remain seated. Your lift has stopped momentarily and could resume. Again, please remain seated.
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will move to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all